Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. Today we will discuss the worksheet 1 of profit, loss and discount. First question, by selling a bed sheet for rupees 640, a shopkeeper earns a profit of 28%. How much did it cost the shopkeeper? So, what all things are given? By selling a bed sheet, means selling price of the bed sheet is equal to rupees 640. He earns a profit of 28%, means profit percent. How much did it cost the shopkeeper? How much did it cost? Means the cost price we have to find out. So, solution, SP of a bed sheet is equal to rupees 640. Now, profit percent is equal to 28%. Now, they have asked CP is equal to how much? सबको समझ में आ गया है ना? So, सेलिंग प्राइस दिया है, प्रॉफिट परसेंट दिया है, सीपी फाइंड आउट करने का है. सबसे पहले जो भी दिया है वो सब लिखो और क्या फाइंड आउट करने का है वो समझ के लेने का. नाउ पुट द फॉर्मूला, सीपी इज इक्वल टू एसपी इंटू 100 अपॉन 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट परसेंट, isn't it? When it is profit percent, you have to add it to 100. Now put the values. SP is 640 into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent is 28. Now 640 into 100 upon 128. Now it is a 8. 8 8s are 64, even 8 1s are 8, 4 remains, 8 6s are 48. 8 1s are 8, 9 10 11 12, 4 remains, 4 and 8 48, 8 6s are 48, 8 8s are 64 and zeros are. Now 16 1s are 16 5s are 80. So you got 5 into 100, 500. So answer, what is the cost of the bed sheet? The bed sheet costs rupees 500. Hope everyone understood. It was an easy sum. Everything is given clearly. SP is given, profit percent is given. You have to find out the CP, put the formula and then find out. Now coming to the second sum, worksheet 2, second sum. Rajan purchased 250 packets of blades at the rate of rupees 8 per packet. Means for one packet the cost is rupees 8. He purchased and then he sold 70% of the packets at the rate of rupees 11 per packet. So whatever total 250 packets are there, out of that 70% he sold at the rate of rupees 11 per packet, and the remaining packets he sold at the rate of rupees 9 per packet. Now find his gain percent. He made a profit, but how much is it? We have to find out. Okay. So first it is he purchased 250 packets of blades at the rate of rupees 8 per packet. means CP of 1 packet of blade. How much it is given? It is rupees 8. For 1 packet, CP is a rupees 8. Therefore, CP of how many packets are there total? 250 packets is equal to 1 packet is 8. So, 250 packets it will be how much? 8 zeros are 0, 8 fives are 40, 8 twos are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, the cost price of 250 packets is rupees 2000. Now, it is 70% of the packets. So, first find out 70% of total 250 packets. How many are there? 70% means 70 by 100 of means into 250. 0, 0 cut, 0, 0 cut. You will get 7 5s are 35, 3 in hand, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17. So, 70% of the total 250 packets will be 175. Now, how many are remaining? Therefore, remaining packets is equal to total is 250 minus 175, 10 minus 5, 5. Now, it is 4. 14 minus 7 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. So, you got 70% of 250 packets is 175 and remaining is 75. Now, SP of 175 packets, that is 70% of the total 175 packets at the rate of 70% at the rate of rupees 11 per packet. Meaning what? For 1 packet it is 11. For 175 how much? Understood? 11 5s are 55. 11 7s are 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. 11 1s are 11 plus 8, 19. So, you got 1925. That is of a 70% of the packets. Now, SP of remaining packets. How many packets are there? 75 packets at the rate of, now remaining packets is sold at the rate of rupees 9. Rupees 9 per packet. That means for 1 packet it is rupees 9. For 75 how much? 9 5s are 45. 9 3s are 63 plus 4, 67. So, you got the SP of 70% of packets 1925 and the remaining 75 it is 675. Now, find out total SP of total. How many are there? 250 packets. Total SP of 250 packets is equal to SP of 175 plus SP of 75. It is 1925 plus 675. So, you got rupees 5 plus 5 10, 1 plus 7 8, 9 10, 1 plus 9, 10 plus 6, it is 16, 1 plus 1, 2. So total SP you got 2600. Now total CP, how much was it? Total CP of 250 packets is equal to, you got rupees 2000. Now compare SP and CP, which is greater? SP is greater. SP is greater than CP. Therefore, it is profit is equal to SP minus CP, that is rupees 2600 minus 2000, that is rupees 600. So you got the profit rupees 600. Now they have asked the gain percent, means profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. Profit is 600 upon CP is 2000 into 100. 20, 20 cut, 10, 10 cut, 2 ones are 2 threes are 3 tens are 30%. So answer Rajan's profit percent is 30%. Is it clear? It's a lengthy sum, but hope all students understood. We'll repeat again. So question, in the question it is given total 250 पैकेट्स are there. एक पैकेट का 8 रुपीस है, तो 250 पैकेट्स का कितना? एक पैकेट का ₹8, 250 पैकेट्स का मल्टीप्लाई करो, 8 इंटू 250, 2000. अभी नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस में बोले he sold 70% of the packets at rate of 11 rupees and remaining at a 9 rupees per packet. मतलब सेलिंग प्राइस अलग अलग हिस्सों में करने का है, देखने का. सो द 70% ऑफ द टोटल 250 कितना आएगा? 70%, 70 by 100 into 250, तो आया आपको 175. रिमेनिंग पैकेट्स टोटल 250 है माइनस 175, आपको मिलेगा 75. अभी बोले हैं इट इज सोल्ड एट, सो 70% इज ₹11 पर पैकेट. सो एसपी ऑफ 175, क्यों? 70%, 175 पैकेट्स एट द रेट ऑफ ₹11 पर पैकेट. सो एक पैकेट का 11, 175 का 1925. अभी जो बचा है दैट इज 75 पैकेट्स. सो एसपी ऑफ 75 पैकेट्स एट द रेट ऑफ ₹9 पर पैकेट है ना. जो बचा है उसको ₹9 पर पैकेट वो बेचता है, तो तब भी एसपी कितना है? ₹9 इंटू 75, आपको मिला 675. अभी हमें टोटल एसपी फाइंड आउट करने का है, क्योंकि 250 पैकेट्स है. सो ये दोनों को ऐड करोगे तो आपको मिलेगा टोटल एसपी ऑफ 250 पैकेट्स, आपको मिला 2600. अभी टोटल सीपी कितना था? 2000. अभी कंपेयर करो, एसपी बड़ा है तो इट इज प्रॉफिट, माइनस करेंगे तो आपको मिला 600. अभी प्रॉफिट परसेंट फॉर्मूला क्या है? प्रॉफिट अपॉन सीपी इंटू 100, कैलकुलेट करो, आपको मिला 30%. Is it okay? So we have completed worksheet 1, question number 1 and 2. Hope everyone understood these two sums. Bye. Thank you.